please support me through PayPal to devinwyndham@gmail.com. I also tutor, both in person and online. I am based in Fairfax, Virginia. If you are interested in tutoring, you can hit me up at this email. Right now, I want to do some limit problems. The Greeks knew about limits. The ancient Greeks did. They used the idea of a limit to prove that the area of a circle is pi times the square of the radius. Archimedes was able to find the area under a parabola. Limits are at the foundation of calculus. The Greeks almost invented calculus, but calculus was not invented until the 17th century, the 1600s, by Isaac Newton and Leibniz. All right, determine the limit if it exists. Exercise 1, the limit as x approaches 0 of 6 over x. All right, pause the video and try it on your own. All right, let's do it. The limit as x approaches 0 from the left of 6 over x is negative infinity. The limit as x approaches 0 from the right of 6 over x equals positive infinity. So the limit as x approaches 0 of 6 over x does not exist. Notice I use commas instead of periods frequently in math because periods might look like a multiplication symbol. Exercise 2. The limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x minus 4. All right, pause the video, try this on your own. All right, let's do it. The limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x minus 4 is equal to 0 minus 4, which is equal to negative 4. Exercise 3. The limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus 16 over x minus 4. Pause the video, try it on your own. Let's do it. The limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus 16 over x minus 4. All right, I can't plug in because if I were to try to plug in, the denominator would be 0 and division by 0 is undefined. So I factor the numerator and the x minus 4's cancel, and I can plug in to get 8. All right, let's try the exercise 4. The limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus x minus 12 or x squared minus 16. Pause the video, try it on your own. All right, let's do it together. I can't plug in because if I were to try to plug in, the denominator would be 0 and division by 0 is undefined. So I factor the numerator like so. Right? This is right. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And I factor the denominator. We've got some canceling going on. Then we plug in. All right. The limit, exercise 5. The limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x to the 4th minus 16. Pause the video, try it on your own. Okay, let's do it. So I can't plug in directly because if I were to try to plug in directly, the denominator would be 0 and division by 0 is undefined. So I factor the numerator and the denominator. Here I factor x squared minus 4. And here we've got some canceling going on. The x minus 2's cancel. Then we can plug in. The numerator is now 4. The denominator is 4 times 8. So here's the answer.